Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, let's get into this video. Hey, would you like to make money like this? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how. So stay tuned. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $275 in PayPal money with your phone, and this is available worldwide. Now guys, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, any questions at all, about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a magic number is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that magic number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this wonderful method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay family, I'm at this website, and the name of this website is Rewarding Ways. So on this website you're going to get paid fast, not only PayPal money, also Skrill, Amazon gift cards, and Tango cards, and Bitcoin. And you're going to get paid within 24 hours. Now, what they offer is access online paid surveys. You're going to make money online, get paid today, work from home, and free join bonus. And this has been recommended by their members on Trustpilot. As you see, there's 831 reviews on Trustpilot, and they have a high rating, guys. Now, they have paid out to members over $2 million, and this is what you're going to be doing. So you're going to complete online surveys, you're going to earn cash and gift cards. So earn cash. We reward you for completing paid surveys and online offers. Redeem your survey earnings using PayPal Cash, Bitcoin, Skrill, and get paid the same day. Earn points. So you're going to watch videos, take part in paid trials, answer survey questions, play online games, and offers to earn points, exchange points for quick cash or e-gift cards. And speaking of cards, you're going to earn free gift cards. You're going to redeem your points for Tango gift cards, which can be used at a variety of known realtors such as Amazon, Starbucks, Nike, and many more. And here's a little video you can check out that just kind of shows you a little bit more about this website. Now it says here, what can the best paid survey site offer you? Access to 100 paid surveys. Now guys, I know sometimes people do not want to do these surveys because it takes all day to do it, but it only takes a few minutes to complete these surveys, so you won't be spending your time all day working on these surveys, guys. So let's just read some of these frequently asked questions. How much can I earn? So you can earn in between 50 cents and $5 per survey. That's pretty high, guys, for a survey site. And as soon as you sign up, guys, you're going to get a free bonus. Now here's some of what the members are saying. So this person right here said it helps you have more money. Perfect. best friend. Alright, now, so I want to show you some payment proof right quick. Let you know this is a legit site. So I'm going to click right here where it says payment proof. And here's the payment proof right here. So this is how much money they've made today. So this what this person made, and they probably just really not doing hardly anything, and they're getting paid. Probably did one survey or something. And here's some more payments. So this is all today, guys. Look, it's even more. I'm not going to go through all the pages. It's over 20,000 pages of people getting paid today. So guys, that's all I'm going to show you about this website, because I got a bonus website I want to show you. So if you're ready to get started at this website, go to rewardingways.com, sign up, get that bonus, and start getting this money. Okay guys, I'm at the next website. This is just a bonus website I want to tell you about. I'm not going to go through the whole website. I just want to show you another website you can go to and make some money along with the first website. So the name of this website is Squishy Cash, and as you can see here, they have over 200,000 members. They've paid out over $350,000. They've been around for a while, guys, since 2007. On this website, you're going to be doing offers, and you're going to get paid to refer friends, and you get 25% of every earnings that your friend earn. And on here, you're going to be getting paid through PayPal and also gift cards and other prizes. As you can see here, this is what you're going to get paid through PayPal. You can get check, Amazon, and here are the gift cards. And check this out, guys. As soon as you sign up, you're going to get $3 right off the bat for free. And they even got payment proof right here. As you can see here, people are getting big money on this website, guys. So I just wanted to show you this bonus website. So to start on this website, go ahead and go to squishycash.com and start getting this cash. Okay family, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 30 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, any questions at all about this method. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day and I don't want you to miss out. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. Now if this method doesn't work out for you, I'll be uploading more videos that you might like. So please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.